There's something different about established central Edmonton neighborhoods like Terrace Heights. Mature trees, larger lots, and quick access to downtown create a lifestyle that's becoming increasingly difficult to find. Just minutes from the river valley, downtown Edmonton, and the amenities of Capilano. This completely reimagined bungalow blends modern luxury with the warmth and character of an established community. Inside, sunlight pours through the open-concept main floor, highlighting a stunning chef-inspired kitchen with quartz counters, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and beautifully curated finishes throughout. The home features 4 bedrooms and 3 fully renovated bathrooms, including a spa-inspired ensuite and walk-in closet living. Downstairs, the fully finished basement nearly doubles the living space, ideal for entertaining guests, a home office, fitness, or family recreation. One of the greatest advantages homes like this offer is balance. More space, more privacy. A mature neighborhood setting, and a significantly shorter commute compared to many newer suburban communities. For buyers relocating from Ontario, BC, or across Alberta, this is an opportunity to enjoy connected city living without sacrificing comfort, design, or yard space. Modern living, established community, minutes from downtown Edmonton, 6807 98A Avenue Northwest, Terrace Heights. Some photos virtually staged. We're Marty and T with Remax Real Estate. To access our full suite of real estate services and resources, visit the link in the description below.